How would you feel if you were going through chemotherapy or any sort of cancer treatment where your immune system gets compromised and you were told that just by fasting you could rejuvenate your cells? Well, that is the research that has gone into fasting, long-term fasting, or what we will call an extended fast, or to be more specific, a 3 to 5 days water fast. Research was done across patients for 2 weeks who had just completed chemotherapy, and after the third day, a lot of the white blood cells that were depleted and they had lost its validity got rejuvenated, stronger, healthier, and the immune got a boost. That's why I call this an immune boosting fast. It's Tuesday night, feeling a bit cold. I need like a hot tea. I'm a bit weak. Hello guys, hi, welcome back to my YouTube channel. How you all doing? It's pretty late and it's a Sunday night. I'm reading. Since I did the 75 soft challenge, I have taken reading a lot more. And it's amazing because before this, I never really had the patience to read. So that has really helped me. I try to read before going to bed, take away all my devices. I try to take away my devices and read if possible. Personally, in my life, I'm going through a very busy period where I have been on my laptop longer and devices. It doesn't help the eyes, but that's it. Anyway, I've been talking too long. How are you all? And welcome back to my YouTube channel. As you can see from the title of this video, I'm here again. I have been reading a lot fast like a girl. And sorry my light is not great because my daughter is in bed sleeping and I'm using my side lamp. So, like you guys probably know, there are different lengths of fasts. And it's really key to understand the best length of fast for your circumstances. But what I'm doing today is an immune reset fast. It's going to be for about 72 hours. So I will not be eating anything for 3 days. I don't think I've done this before. So this is the first time. And I thought I'll document it and just share how I feel daily. If I succeed at the end, I'll be drinking loads of liquid. It's a bit of a tricky time to do this because I'm going to be very busy, especially the next at least day or two in preparation. I'm having a lot of guests. I'm having my big party, which I might vlog on this channel. You know, I talk a lot about my weight loss journey and how I can help people to get to the best version of themselves. So I don't really talk about my personal stuff a lot, but I'll try to. This video is just to show you day 1, not yet actually, day 0, because it's about 10 p.m. at night. I'm about to go to bed, but I'm doing something I don't do that often. I'm eating. I prepared this. It's like a fruit parfait. Yeah, I think I might have vlogged doing this on the previous vlog. If I did, I'll pin it up. And I don't want it to go off in the fridge because this will be my, like, if I don't eat it now, before I eat in 3 days, it'll be off. I prepared 2, one for my mom, one for myself. So I'm about to have that now. And then I'll tell you guys all about why I have chosen to do 72 hours immune reset fasts. A lot of this is from Dr. Mindy Pelz. If you've not read her book or heard about her, she's got a YouTube channel. I'll link it. That's her book. It's very informative and it's really helped with my weight loss journey. So this is a very long intro and I'll see you guys perhaps, I don't know, tomorrow maybe. This is my last supper. I'm gonna eat this, read my book, and then I'll see you guys tomorrow, Monday. What day is it tomorrow? Monday the 15th of April, where I'll do 3 days of no food, just liquid. So good night, see you tomorrow. I'll stick on this vlog and see the results. I forgot to vlog yesterday. Yesterday was Monday. The whole of yesterday I was working because it was my last day of work. I'm off for a week, so it was just non-stop emails and working, and I was quite hungry about 7 p.m. It hit me hardest. Once I went to bed, woke up this morning, I feel absolutely delightful. I've been trying to drink water, but it's just, again, when I think of it, there's no goal as such. But yeah, just thought I'll touch base and I'll see you guys. I'm going shopping. Today will be a trying day. I have done almost 36 hours fast and I'm going strong. I'll talk to you guys later. Hello guys, hi, it's Tuesday night and I want to talk about our reserves of energy and fat. Whenever I hear people are going for a long fast, I often wonder how they'll cope. I think it's not possible. Although I fast sometimes into like 48 hours, I've never crossed this long. It's Tuesday night and it's been over 48 hours, almost about that. I feel okay. I feel a bit cold if I'm being honest because I've not had tea or coffee because it's just water. And also after the 24th hour, I had a sudden burst of energy, which is not uncommon. The reason why I say it's not uncommon is because we have a lot of stored fat reserves that we can use. And I remember watching a video and the guy said, go on without food for the next 50 days and you'll be okay if you're over a certain weight. Because what happens is when you don't eat for long, your body starts going into the fat reserves and it will convert that into the energy you need. So that keeps me going and I know that my body is going through all sorts. I feel there's a lot of brain clarity I've had and it'll be interesting how tomorrow goes. So if you're looking to do this, give it a go. Give it a go. Your body has enough stored fat to keep you going, so don't be scared. You're not going to pass out or anything. Drink water. If you want to take electrolytes, you can take it, but for me, it's just water. And oh my god, I need to go to bed now, and tomorrow is Wednesday. I'll talk to you guys tomorrow where I plan to fast the whole of tomorrow and break my fast on tomorrow about this time, so that is 72 hours. But let's see how it goes. It's a very busy day of cooking tomorrow. If I can't, I'll break it about midday so that I do at least 60 hours. Alright, I'll talk to you guys later. Oh, my skin is glowing. I've just done my skincare. I'm in bed. Alright, it's very late. It's about midnight. I'll talk to you guys later. I strongly believe that if I don't include a green juice in any sort of fasting video, extended fasting video, that's not me. The benefits of green juice, I cannot really emphasize enough. I drink a lot of green juice, celery especially. Sometimes I add things like kale, I add spinach, I can add whatever green veg, but for ginger, that's a must. It helps with inflammation. I add lime, but this is all I had in the fridge, so I washed it initially with bicarbonate of soda and some vinegar, and then yes, I juiced it. The benefits is it's very rich in vitamin C, A and K, and it's really high in iron and calcium, so it would help to maintain your skin and blood. And also it's packed with chlorophyll, which has been shown to enhance the body's detoxification process, which is perfect now that I am looking to, not eat. And I thought that I couldn't go on. This was about midday almost. And I made this really quickly amidst my cooking and decided to break my long fast with this. And I'm going to share the results now, how I feel, how long I fasted for. But I always say that this will help to cleanse the liver and improve your body function. So if you can have a green juice, please go for it. You don't need to have a juicer. You can just blend it and strain. I'll always advocate for my green juices. the knackered face of somebody who has done a 60-hour fast. I was meant to do 72 hours, but I have a big event and I'm in a lot of pain because I've been cooking non-stop. So I decided to break my fast with this juice. It's a green juice where I started my cooking. My lips are a bit cracked. It's Wednesday. Let me look for my phone and show you the time. It's about, I think, midday, and it's about, the last time I ate was on Sunday nights at around 11 when I did that beginning video. It's a bit windy, guys, sorry. I don't know why I came out. Let me go back in. So it's 11:40 and it's Wednesday the 17th, and I'll sit down, do a video and share exactly, or maybe a voiceover, exactly how I feel after doing this, the effects. And I'll say to you, or if you have a chronic disease that you're trying to fight, build your immune system, burn fat, dopamine reset, gut reset, all of that, do a long fast. How would you feel if somebody told you that you were able to ease a chronic condition that you've had for a while, prevent it, help with muscular stiffness and pain, as well as reverse any signs of aging? What would you say? I'm guessing that you'd be all for it. So today I'm going to share, hi guys, and this is a few days later. Gosh, it's been like maybe a week and a half. I've had the busy week, like I told you guys in the video, and I just finished work. I've been working from home. I look a bit run down, but I was about to publish this video and I realized that I have not yet concluded on the benefits or why I decided to go for this fast. It is, the inspiration came from me doing a lot of research about fasting, and there are different stages of fasting. There's like the popular 18 hours, it goes to 24 hours, 36, and I think I've done that in the past. But the 72 to 5 days fast, which is 3 to 5 days water fast, is a very popular one if you want to reverse certain conditions. It's a bit like an immune boost. What that does and why it's very popular is the 4 things I mentioned before: easing chronic disease, preventing it, helping with muscular stiffness, as well as reversing the signs of aging. And I'll tell you why. This has been obviously inspired by Dr. Mindy Pelz. I cannot really talk more about her, but I'll quickly tell you why I did this. And of course, I would not know the effects now, but I actually felt really good after doing it. It was like a body reset. And it got me thinking that if you've ever had difficult pregnancies like I do, I sometimes stay for weeks and months without eating. And of course, I lose a lot of weight, most of my body weight. But I'm sure that has helped my anti-aging, or has helped my process, my body, without me doing it deliberately. Now, what happens when you go without food for 72 hours? So in simple language, when you don't eat for 3 days, which is 72 hours, your body rejuvenates its stem cells. It doesn't only rejuvenate it, it produces new stem cells, which can then go and help the older and aging stem cells to boost it up. And people tend to go up to 5 days because this process keeps repeating itself. The older cells in your body keeps getting new, so your whole body gets rejuvenated and you feel stronger. You get a boost of energy, and any cells that were damaged and did not shed, it's a bit like autophagy but longer term. And I would encourage anybody to attempt it. It's helped me to drink a lot more water, and although if you don't eat food, sorry, I'm addicted to water, you tend to still drink water, so that keeps you going. Anyway, this video, I hope that it inspired somebody to start to give it a go. You don't have to just jump on a 36 or 48 or 72 hours fast, because I didn't get to 72. I have to be honest, in this video I ended up after 60 hours for personal reasons. But guess what? I have decided to incorporate this in my life, and every other month
I'll be going through an extended fast. And because this was cut short due to personal circumstances, like I explained in the video, it was overwhelming for me. It got to a point where I stood for over 12 hours cooking. So I'm going to do it. I know that I can. I'm good that I started with 60 hours, so I know my body can take me for at least 4 days, and I'll share once I do that. If you've done one of these fasts before, please share how did you feel? What would you recommend? How have you felt after that? And will you do it again? Let us all know. And if you've been watching my videos, just leave a line to say hello. It'll be nice to read from you. And if you've enjoyed my content in the past, please do well to consider subscribing, and I'll see you in my next video. I think I love my glow, this glow that I'm glowing. Oh, anyway, thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye-bye.